explain what is pagoda?
The tower with the levels?
Not exactly. Pagoda. It's an international word actually. It's not in Japan. So when Buddha passed away, you know, in Buddhism, when somebody passed away, we burn the body. After burning the body, what's left? Bones, right?
Ashes.
Yeah, there's a lot of bones. And then when Buddha passed away, the monks burned the body, and then they kept the old bones. And then they bring to the bones to, like, everywhere in the world that who believe in the Buddhism, and then they left it. So in Japan too, we never know because it's like 6th century. We never know if it's true or not. And this building is not from 6th century. If we have this kind of skill to make this tower in 6th century, best country in the world. See, but no, it wasn't like this. It was actually original one had a fire, unfortunately. So it was like it's all broken. But they make it a new one. We made the new one in 12th century. So still this is old. This is from 12th century, so which is the very old one. And yeah, so we don't know if it's true or not. We never know. But we might have a piece of Buddha's bone in here. So if you travel to another country, maybe Taiwan too, I guess.
I'm
sure.
not Buddhist, so I don't know.
You're not
No idea.
But yeah, probably Taiwan too. Obviously China, Sri Lanka, maybe Thailand. Like those countries has pagodas. So if you ever chance to travel such kind of country, and if you heard of a pagoda, now you know that where it came from. Okay. And another thing about this